Hey guys, I'm back. Welcome to the channel, Swiftface Custom. My name is Julio. If you guys are following me, if you've seen my videos, you know I had a problem when I was doing the spark plugs before. We had an issue. I had an issue with the intake duct. It was broken, and I had to do a getaway. I had to put tape on it. We just got the part. We got the intake hose. We are gonna replace it. The last time on the video that I had, we had an issue. It was broken, so I had to put tape on it. We're gonna replace it. We got the part now. We're just gonna open it now, and then I'm gonna show you everything it came with. So now we opened it, and we're gonna make sure that it came with all these parts. The first one that I ordered was the wrong part, so I had to take that back. And then, yeah, of course, you see my video, there's a big difference from it. But yeah, so we're gonna match it. It looks like everything's the same this time, and then we're gonna replace it. We're gonna take that off and then replace it. All right, so it should be that long. We're gonna remove this hose right here, the bolt, that sensor right here. We're gonna unplug it. We're gonna remove this clip and this clip, and we're gonna remove the intake out, and we're gonna put it on the side. So we're removing this clip, remove the sensor, remove the sensor, and we're gonna release this. That's number 10. So yes, have you guys have actually number 8. So remove this. So we're gonna remove this out. Helps hold the whole back. Alright, so now guys, so we took everything apart. Now we're gonna make sure everything matches, and this time it does. The last time, the one that I ordered, it was really small and then didn't match. This one does. The accessories that come with it matches, even this. So we're gonna replace everything, put everything new. We're gonna take this off, we're gonna unscrew this, and we're gonna replace it. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. I'm loosen this up. We gotta pull this out and put all this together over here. Shouldn't be that hard. Alright, I'm just gonna slide it in there all the way in. Make you guys see everything all the way in. As you can see right here, we're gonna put it together. We're gonna make sure it matches the same way, same area, same size, and we're gonna tighten it, the bolt from here. Not too tight, just gotta make sure it's tight, but not too tight. It shouldn't be too tight, just slightly. That should be it. All right, so you can see this one is set. All right, so now we go with the next part, and then we are gonna make sure that it matches. So it's on the old one is this way. So on the old one is this way, and then same way we just gonna take it out, and same way we just gonna put this one on the new one, as you can see. And we'll slide it in there all the way in. And we're gonna tighten the bolt, and that's it. Make sure it's not too tight. And we got it set. As you can see, everything matches. We're just gonna remove it and replace this and put this one in there. So now we're just gonna replace this, remove this bolt right here, loosen it up. So now we're gonna remove this part and then put the new one on. Okay, it comes out easy. If you want to rematch everything, make sure everything matches. You can check it now before you put everything in. This is the old one. Double check if you want. So now we're just gonna replace the new one. We're just gonna put a little bit of grease in it, just to slide it in easy. Just tiny. It's not to grease anything. We're just gonna make sure it slides in there easy. So now we put it back. And it should pop in there. There you go. Make sure we push it all the way in. Front and the back. And then it should be all the way in. And now we're gonna tighten both, and we're gonna replace it and put it back. Alright, so intake. It goes right there. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna match this little clips in here. 1, 2, 3. And match it. Yeah, push. The back all the way in. And match both little clips. Wait a second. I'll find the way to run here. Back. Back. Clip. And now we can check this is. My God, I'm taking forever to put this back. Now, again, put this in here. Put it back in. And then try to put it in almost in the same spot. Put the sensor. Keep saying the same thing. And plug. There you go. There's the plug for the sensor. That should be it. So thank you guys for watching, and then again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like the channel, and share. I really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next video. And thank you. See you guys.